Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Peter Phelps of Phelps 3D, here to show you an unboxing video for the longer orange tin 3D resin printer. Now the first thing you find when you first open it is some of these little filters, the owner's manual, a thanks letter for buying it, a piece of cardboard, some foam stuff, and then the top piece you have packets in there, the pieces for the top, try to keep the light out, a scraper to get the spa, a little packet of tools, a pair of gloves, a little USB, micro USB to micro SD adapters, a couple of Allen wrenches, cards, maybe they're for a wipe. These are the little corner pieces that help hold this together. The bed. This is your bed. This is the part that goes up and down. Like computer type cable. The power adapter. Desiccant. And then main printer. You've got your vat, this is where you put resin into, and that's where I'm going to leave this video. But some of the other things I bought with it are a couple of things of resin, this black, that's gray, and then I bought a UV curing lamp for post-processing, and I've got 70% isopropyl alcohol, the little tarp thing to cover the bed with because you don't want to get the resin on any of your surfaces. I've got way more extra gloves and a little plastic container to use for post-processing where I wash off the uncured resin. So in the next video I'll be assembling this and putting this together. Thank you.